Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the step chart indicator for MT4 and MT5. These two plot horizontal steps at key price levels, creating a staircase-like view of price movement that helps you see trends, support, resistance, and potential reversal areas on your chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the step chart indicator displays a series of horizontal lines that move up or down as price breaks into new zones, forming a staircase pattern across your chart. As you can see, the horizontal dotted lines moving down in the case of a bearish trend, or moving up in the case of a bullish trend. When the steps are rising, you see a sequence of higher levels that visually implies an uptrend, as I said before, while falling steps imply a downtrend made up of lower levels. The flat portions of each step act as visual support or resistance, showing where price has repeatedly bounced or been rejected. As price moves away from one step and establishes the next, these transitions highlight potential reversals on continuation points without prescribing exact trade entries. Now we move on to its properties. We have the price and the step size. And this also involves the color, blue for the bullish trend or bullish steps, and orange red for the bearish steps. Now, who is this indicator for? The step chart indicator is suitable for traders at all levels who want a clear, easy to read visual of price structure, support, resistance, and trend direction. Like other technical tools, it can lag behind real-time price, generate false signals in choppy or rangy markets, and requires trader interpretation when defining important levels. It should therefore be used alongside other analysis and risk management tools rather than as a standalone decision tool, which can be detrimental to your trading. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also read the full step chart indicator at school, including strategy ideas, pros, cons at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.